Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to show you this set, show you kind of how it turned out and how it works, how the action of the tools. Alright, so to start off with kind of the obvious, these are both carbon fiber scales. The liners are G10 and the tools have all been acid etched and aluminum washed. So that gives them that dark color. Alright, so let me show you this one to start with. So this is basically, it's a Yeoman with added pliers. So we called it a super Yeoman. I think some people call it a Yeoman Tinker. So anyways, all right, so the Inline Phillips. So you see everything still snaps. That's a good thing, that's what you want to see. Whenever you are acid etching the tools, the pivoting point, if you acid etch it too, it becomes more abrasive and the tools don't snap. They become much more, not necessarily stiff, but they don't close properly. So you see everything still snaps open, snaps closed. It's a knife. All right, so something to keep in mind, is that whenever you acid etch tools, the Swiss Army blades, they rub each other in certain places, and on a stainless finish it doesn't make any difference. But with the acid etch, anywhere where the tools rub against each other, you get this rub mark. And so another question I often get is people ask if I sharpen the blade. And it's like, of course I sharpen the blade. I mean, why would I send a knife with a dull blade, right? So anyways, here's a sharpness test for you. Alright, so it's nice and sharp, and it snaps closed. And then this is the combination tool. Still kind of oily after assembly. It's a combination tool because the tip can be used for like a Phillips. It's a flat head on this side. The can opener, bottle opener, all that all in one. That's what they call it, a combination tool. Okay, and then in the back we have the corkscrew and the universal hook. And since these are plus scales, you'll see you have the pin slot, needle slot, how you want to call it. It's right there. And also because they're plus scales, it has the pin. And it's a little hack that I saw on Felix Imler's YouTube page. You can put your pin in the slot where your hook goes. You pinch that, and it makes this small pin easier to use because you got more something you're holding on to. So that was a really cool little hack. I'm not sure if he came up with that or if that's somewhere else, but anyways, I saw it on his YouTube channel. All right, so that's the 91mm Super Yeoman. And then this one we called a Spydernox WengerChamp. Okay, we got that name because it has a Spyderco blade. This is a Spyderco Honeybee. And because it has two tools from the Wenger pocket tool chest. That is the mini screwdriver and the awl. And so those were taken from the pocket tool chest and resized to fit into this 58mm mini champ. All right, and the other tools. All right, the flat blade. It's kind of standard for the mini champ. Then this is the cuticle pusher, and I've modified it to be a chisel. And so simply just sharpen up the edge to give this tool a bit more purpose. They have the fingernail file and the cleaner. It's also been modified a bit to make it more convenient to clean underneath your fingernails. Then this is the really popular saw mod that I make. And so this was a ruler that I have filed down into a saw. And it's really sharp. I like how they turn out. All right, then on this side, we have this hook blade, scissors, and the large Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, all that. So again, also everywhere you can see the action is really good. Everything snaps open and it snaps closed. As you see right here, snaps open, and right here it snaps closed. So, all in all, that's how this set turned out. So if you'd like to see some more of my work, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to some likes, and also check out my website to see some more of the knives that I make. So thanks for watching.